Whether you are a cleaning company or a hotel that runs housekeeping in-house, you sign in as the company admin. Your hotels are here. Every card has two doors: Hotel Admin Panel and Hotel Operations. Operations is where the housekeeping manager lives. That was the daily video. Admin is where you set the rules of money and time. Open it, and you are managing this hotel on behalf of your company. You can also jump across from operations at any time with one button at the top. The setup checklist is done. Room types, rooms, service plans, special days, the PMS connection, the housekeeping managers, and the team leaders. Setting a brand new hotel up from zero gets a video of its own. Today, the hotel is live, and we look at what keeps it priced and paid correctly. That lives under service plans. First, which cleaning types this hotel uses. Checkout, stay, and deep clean are on. Check-in and turn down are off. This is hotel-wide, so it also shapes the operations panel and the phones. Every active type becomes one priced row under every room type. 2 columns, 2 audiences. On the left, hotel billing, what the hotel is invoiced per room. On the right, employee payroll, how long the job counts for the person who cleans it. Stay can simply follow the checkout price. Deep clean is derived from checkout times 2. Change one number, and everything linked to it follows. Where does the pay come from? Click the calculator next to any duration. The effective hourly rate comes from your company settings. A hotel can override it. This one does not, so the company rate applies. 20 minutes at that rate is what this room pays. Or think in speed, 3 service plans an hour. Or start from the pay and let it find the minutes. Every field talks to the others, live. We leave it as it is. Extra bed, baby bed, and the other in-room services are priced per unit. Same 2 columns, same logic. These are the tasks that arrive from your PMS traces and land on the phones as separate in-room jobs. Inspections are flat across all rooms. Pre-check follows post-check unless you override it. Whether inspections run at all is an operations setting in the settings video. You do not have to get every price right before day 1. Start the operation. You can come back to these numbers at the end of the month, or a price changed mid-month. One click recalculates everything that is not invoiced or paid yet. Anything already in an approved settlement or entered by hand stays exactly as it is. You see the impact first, then you confirm. Done. The next invoice and the next payroll use the new numbers. Rooms are paid per piece. Public areas, the kitchen, the dishwashing line are paid per hour. Those are shifts. Each shift plan has planned hours, a fixed break, a billing rate for the hotel, and a payroll rate for the person. Team leaders assign people to shifts week by week. Approved hours flow into the same settlement as the rooms. When guests skip housekeeping, the room still costs you a visit. So there is a tiered surcharge on the invoice base. The more room nights are skipped, the higher the tier. The tiers come from your company defaults. This hotel inherits them, and it could override them. Try it. 100 cleaned room nights, 12 skipped, and an invoice base of 2,500. 12% skipped. That lands in the top tier. And this is the line that appears on the invoice. That is the whole idea. Define price and time once. From then on, every task the housekeeping manager confirms lands on the hotel invoice and on the payroll at the same time. No second entry, no spreadsheet in between. People, custom rates, the weekly plan, and the hotel settings are next. Try it with a free trial. ARPCLEAN.com